Hello, my name is Henry Kylan, and this is a video showing my thoughts and knowledge gained while being a software developer intern with PGIP. Um, Essentially, this will be used as my Unit 10 assignment for the academic side of the internship for IT 489 bachelor's level information technology internship. So the very the very first thing that I'd like to cover is my initial goals upon joining the internship, which was to gain knowledge, understanding, and experience within the day-to-day requirements and responsibilities of a software development intern, as well as a software developer in general, entry level. This was achieved, but outside of that, I was also very interested in the cybersecurity side of becoming a cybersecurity analyst, and I also gained some knowledge in that area. So essentially, the onboarding process began with us attending a live video call that was hosted by Marjorie Ferre and Dr. DePriest, who is the manager, the CIO, and the director of the program. Um, they provided us detailed information regarding what was required, as well as how we would be accomplishing tasks, signing into the system, requirements that would be done per week by us, including submitting PowerPoint presentations weekly of what we learned, as well as interactions and any kind of issues that we might have come across to resolve them. Outside of that, I had a manager that I was reporting to directly by the name of Ashley Harrington. She is the manager for the software development group as well as the cybersecurity group. She was very instrumental in me understanding the day-to-day process of a software developer. Secondary to that, I received knowledge in different and various programs that a software developer would use on a day-to-day process, such as GitHub, GitLab, VS Code. We also use other programs to learn new languages such as PHP and JavaScript, which I also experienced while doing the internship. I had the opportunity to work on the Loyalty app, which is an application that is being developed for Purdue University Global, and it is a culmination of work done by the interns as well as leadership who has guided us in creating this application. On my screen right now is the what we call the planner, and this utilizes Microsoft Planner to track and follow what you have been assigned on a weekly basis or a project-based work. As you can see, I have completed 16 tasks in the time that I have been intern with PGIP Tech. It started with understanding the basic requirements for utilizing development scheme for an organization. So one of the very first tasks, as you can see here, is a video and which explains setting up and utilizing the .env files, and this is very similar to how we would receive the work. As Planner, Microsoft Planner is utilized daily in many organizations so if I was an intern, this is very often how I would be assigned tasks. So it was enlightening to see and understand how this works and what you're capable of doing. Excuse me, I'm fighting COVID at the moment, so I apologize for the pause there. So, outside of that, I learned to utilize Docker, which is an application which allows me to work on the loyalty app as well. I was assigned some learning tasks through PHP on Code Academy, which is a learning platform to understand PHP in a more detailed way, as PHP is the primary programming language for the loyalty app. So that was very successful. On the cybersecurity side of things, I learned about OWASP, which is a organization which focuses in on vulnerabilities and issues and highlights them for professionals to be aware of. And that's a global organization. I also learned about CWE, which is utilized to also follow and track common web enumerations and vulnerabilities, which has been instrumental in cybersecurity for knowing and understanding what issues might have to be done. This gave me an opportunity to also present to a large group in our meeting. I was very successful in that. I actually worked on CWE 119 as well as CWE 79 and presented that in both the cybersecurity meeting as well as the software development meeting, which happens weekly. Some other things that I learned and was instrumental is how I was evaluated on those tasks, and I received a lot of feedback from both the manager, Ashley, as well as my internship teammates. Asking questions and being able to answer that in a team setting was very encouraging for me with public speaking and sharpened my skills in presenting. The issues I'm most excited about is the issues that I was able to resolve on the loyalty app, which was issue 23, password hashing using JavaScript. We had to remove that as well as implement a new method of password hashing using PHP on the loyalty app, and I was successful with that with the assistance of Natasha, who helped me out. Natasha was instrumental in helping my success with that. Some other things that I learned towards the later end of the internship was utilizing TryHackMe for further exploration in the cybersecurity area, where I learned web fundamentals using common applications that would be utilized for a cybersecurity analyst, such as Django, um, OWASP, ZAP, Burp Suite, which is a pivotal and often used application for cybersecurity intrusion and penetration testing. Um, Other than that, I also did a SAST presentation, which is security security testing, and I did research for how to implement a SaaS implementation into our loyalty app and the steps that would be needed to get that done, as well as which SaaS implementation we should utilize to complete that task. I also created a LinkedIn profile as well as my resume, updated the resume. I actually updated it twice to further show my or highlight my strengths. And I'm looking forward to utilizing that to present an opportunity for employment. Overall impressions of the experience was phenomenal. I don't think that how I would have gathered as much information as I did, not only in the two aspects of positions available with between the IT, the software development or the cybersecurity aspect. I was able to gain information from both, as well as developing my presentation skills and getting to understand the applications in a safe environment where I didn't feel like I had anyone breathing over my neck or me making a mistake that could be detrimental to a business. I am extremely grateful for the opportunity, and I look forward to um, any changes in the future regarding the opportunity to join back for a Gita mentor, and paying it forward the information that I was given from leadership as well as my teammates. So, with that, I'd just like to say thank you. This was once again Henry Kylan giving a summarization of the things that was accomplished in terms of goals, knowledge received, evaluation of my skills that were utilized during the internship, as well as uh, the course topics and um, information on uh, the internship process for a software developer through PGIP. Thanks again.